Yeah, y'all. Welcome back. You're watching the last video. Probably caught a glimpse of this. I was wondering what the heck it was sitting up against the fence over there. So remember the dirt pile we have right here? We're replacing it with a real ramp, guys. It says skate attack. We're not going to be skating. Look at the angle on that bad boy. That's probably going to launch me over to my neighbor's yard. So I found some tent stakes. This should work. I'll just do all four. It has one like this on each side. Push it a little bit further. Other one might go down a little bit better. Alright, I'll get all four of those in. We'll get set up for a jump on the DB14, baby. Well, I'll start up super easy. 5 minutes, y'all. So used to the Hawk now. I'm looking for 10 likes on this video, yo. Woo! Oh shit. Just realized something, y'all. Alright, y'all. The lid is totally different. I could probably easily get through there. Follow the same path. These big logs is another story. As far as maneuverability, yeah. Oh, hit my shin, guys. That freaking hurt. So I was just thinking about getting some new shin guards. Fuck. It's like the worst I've had so far on this motorcycle, or any motorcycle. Just getting a little skin off. Probably 3-4 layers maybe. Doesn't really hurt. It's gonna require a band-aid. So I actually have some new shin guards in my cart. So I can wear when I wear these boots, because I can't really ride my this bike in my dirt bike boots. They're way too big and bulky. So I'm gonna need those shin guards. I just put them in my cart yesterday. Oh. Maybe I'm gonna go all the way up. I was trying to rush it. Oh, I gotta fix that front fender, I forgot. So you know what, I'm about to hit this jump. Before I hit that jump, I need to tie this fender up. You know what? I want to hit that jump so bad I can't even wait for the daggone 10 likes. Let me tie this fender up. Shit, that fucking hurts. Now it hurts. It's not even any blood, guys. Alright. I'm not going to take this back in the woods again until after I find me a... It's not going to work. Until after I get my knee guards. Because they come all the way down to about right there. From here down to here.
You know, I was thinking about putting my other shin guards on. I was like, nah, I'm not going to be needing those. I'm just going to take a quick whip through the woods. I've been through so many times. And just when you think you don't need it, man, not really big of a deal because it's so small. It just pisses me off because I'm so completely covered in gear, man. I'm like covered from head to freaking toe. And I got the one part of me that's hanging out. I freaking run and smash it up against a tree. Let that be a lesson to you. Anybody else who I could probably do a better job. Let that be a lesson to anybody else who's been considering getting out here for a quick ride with no equipment on at all. Okay, that's okay for now. What should I do, y'all? Glasses falling off. Maybe not a good time. Might not be a good time, y'all. That's crooked. Yeah.